శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 835th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 45th చాప్టర్. సూత మహర్షి గివింగ్ హిజ్ డిస్కోర్స్ టు Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, one of those days when Arjuna was living in Indrabhavanam, Devendra has noticed that Arjuna has seen Urvasi. Arjuna was captivated by Urvasi. Then Devendra called on Chitrasena into his private room and was telling like this, O Chitrasena, today you have to go to Urvasi and you have to tell Urvasi to go to Arjuna. I am very happy that you taught everything to Arjuna. Now you need to make Arjuna very efficient in dealing and satisfying the woman. Now, after Devendra said like this, Chitrasena went to Urvasi. Urvasi felt very much pleased to see Chitrasena and gave warm welcome. After that, Chitrasena with a smiley face saying to Urvasi like this, O Urvasi, you probably came to know that what Devendra wanted to tell you. On orders of Devendra, I am here. I came here and I would like to tell you something. O Sundari, yastu deva manushyeshu prakhyataha sahajaihi gunaihi shriya silena rupena vratena cha damena cha प्रख्यातो बलवीर्येण सम्मतः प्रतिभानवान् वर्चस्वी तेजसा युक्तः क्षमावान् वीतमत्सरः. O Urvasi, great soldier Arjuna came to Svargalokam. You probably know about him. He is such a great person among Devatas, among humans, and by his own great qualities, by his own great effulgence, by his great character, by his great physical shape, by his great profile, by his great amount of the Indriya Nigraham, control over his senses. And he is very famous by his valor and strength. And he is very much liked by everyone. He is famous. He has great amount of compassion. He has no false proud. Like that, Chitrasena describing about Arjuna's qualities to Urvasi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.